This program contains graphic material, including offensive language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ooh, marry, fuck, kill.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, wait, marry, fuck, kill?
Yeah.
The game? Games. Let's each answer one since there's three of us. Who are you gonna marry?
World of Warcraft.
Who are you gonna fuck?
Overwatch.
Yeah. Kill Heroes of the Storm.
I think I would marry Overwatch because I spend a lot of time with them and I'm committed. I would fuck World of Warcraft because I don't have that much time to commit. And I would probably kill Hearthstone.
Alright, I'd kill Overwatch. The fandom annoys me. Marry Hearthstone because I'm already committed to them. And then I'd fuck Diablo because it's just something you keep going back to. You know?
Fuck Azeroth.
You mean World of Warcraft then?
Yeah, yes. Kill StarCraft. And what's a wholesome? Marry Hearthstone. Hearthstone takes care of you.
In the Blizzard universe, as in the games.
Yes.
Marry, fuck, kill.
Oh my god. Oh, it's a hard one. I would marry Hearthstone.
You say that with like such fondness, like clearly.
Because it's just so nice and fun and
Wholesome.
yes. And then I would fuck World of Warcraft because it's still 2 years of my life, full years played. And I would kill StarCraft
Why?
because my ex played it constantly.
I'm gonna marry Overwatch. Just because fuck it.
Dude, kill Heroes of the Storm.
Yeah, we're gonna kill Heroes of the Storm. Who plays that? I played that for the event and that's about it. And then I'll just fuck StarCraft because, you know, that's galaxy shit.
Can I do the same character for two of them? Like marry and fuck Illidan because I love him?
He's not a universe. He's not a universe like the games. You're just like, I'm sorry, sir, but you got.
I understand.
Let's have her go first. I need to
I
think
got
about
this.
it.
Marry Illidan.
No, see, the girls keep cheating with this too. They keep picking Illidan.
Alright, marry Illidan. No, I'm just fucking with you.
I will fuck Overwatch, marry Heroes of the Storm, and kill StarCraft 2.
I think, yeah, it would be fuck Diablo, marry World of Warcraft. No, marry Overwatch, kill Hearthstone.
Marry probably World of Warcraft. Yeah, obviously. If I have Illidan, you know, marry World of Warcraft. But probably Overwatch because it's pretty zany, you know. I think it'd be kind of fun. Kill? I'm not a fan of trading card games, so I guess Hearthstone.
Marry World of Warcraft because I've already wasted so many years of my life on that. I'm just sucked in.
You're already committed at this point. You might as well just make it official.
Probably fuck Hearthstone because it already fucks my wallet pretty hard. And I don't know if I could kill Overwatch, but Overwatch certainly kills me because I suck at shooters.
Fuck Heroes of the Storm, marry Overwatch, kill World of Warcraft.
Okay, marry World of Warcraft, fuck Overwatch, and
Kill Diablo. Diablo can die off already.
Definitely marry Overwatch. I'd take Diablo to bed. Repeatedly. Oh, as often as possible. Oh, but who to kill? StarCraft.
I would probably marry World of Warcraft, fuck Overwatch, and then kill Diablo because it's pretty much dead.
Oh! Marry World of Warcraft, kill Diablo because it's already dead, and fuck Overwatch. Oh, Diablo fans!
I would kill Heroes of the Storm.
I have to marry Overwatch.
Who would you fuck?
Overwatch.
Wait, the games themselves.
Alright, so fuck Overwatch, marry Hearthstone, and kill Diablo.
Marry Overwatch. Fuck World of Warcraft.
kill StarCraft.
Marry Overwatch, fuck World of Warcraft, and then kill Diablo.
Marry Overwatch, fuck World of Warcraft, and kill Heroes of the Storm.
Oh, the games themselves?
Games, not the characters.
Okay, so I'd have to marry World of Warcraft because I played World of Warcraft for like 10 years. I would fuck Overwatch because it's so shiny and beautiful and fantastic and all the characters are just so new, right? I would have to kill probably StarCraft.
So this is actually a really weird paradoxy question. You're going to get a paradox to answer. So, number 1, marry World of Warcraft. Fuck? Why not Diablo, because it's a funny thing. But kill Warlords of Draenor. That thing did not exist. That is there. It's there, but it's not.
Okay, marry World of Warcraft, kill Heroes of the Storm, and fuck Overwatch. So good, so good.
Because it's all shiny and new.
And it's so fast, hard and fast, you know? So, yeah, got you. Games, marry WoW, fuck WoW, kill StarCraft.
Marry StarCraft, fuck Hearthstone, I'd kill Diablo.
I think I'd kill Hearthstone. Sorry, I'm sorry. I really hated playing that. I think it's because I'm really bad at those kind of games. I'd marry Overwatch because that's the only Blizzard game I'm good at. Was it fuck? Okay, StarCraft. All right, I'm gonna say fuck Overwatch, marry World of Warcraft because it seems very commitment based, and then kill Heroes of the Storm.
Marry Overwatch. Oh man, this is hard. Fuck Hearthstone. And then kill Heroes of the Storm.
So I guess I would marry Hearthstone because I like strategy games. I'm watching a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh, so that's probably the closest I've ever gonna get to it. And then I would fuck Overwatch and with its dead corpse, kill World of Warcraft.
Damn.
Mary, I have to go with Overwatch. Overwatch has got all the money.
It's just gold digging.
Fuck, it's going to be a weird answer, but I'm going to say Hearthstone. Hearthstone is taking what you know and making it weird and fun. Kill StarCraft. I think StarCraft, it needs something new.
So murdering it will help.
Yeah, just going back to the drawing board with some of it.
Fuck Overwatch, because it feels good. Kill Warcraft, because it's old. And marry StarCraft, because stable. Stability is what I go for. That's my answer.
Okay. I'm only familiar with Overwatch though. Fuck McCree, because Jesse McCree. Marry Reaper because Reaper is Gabriel Reyes is just beautiful and I want to marry him so I can fuck him forever. And kill Zenyatta.
I would straight up murder Torbjorn. I want Symmetra to destroy me. And I would marry Hanzo. Games? I don't know anything about the games. Yeah, I'm fake, dude. I only know Overwatch.